Alright everyone, welcome back to Renovation Education on another Tuesday. For our 2-minute tip today, we're going to be talking about nail holes and how to fill them quickly and efficiently. Okay, so for nail holes, I like to use something quick, easy, pre-mixed. I just like to use a little bit of spackle. I don't like using spackle for bigger holes because this stuff tends to shrink sometimes. So nail holes, this stuff is perfect. You don't want to get a big putty knife full of mud or have to mix up some quick set to fill a nail hole because it's so small and so easy to do. And you could also even use caulking. Caulking is good because you can, for a little nail hole, you can go ahead and fill it and paint it when it's still wet, so right after you did. So as you can see here, this is just a brad nail, and this is just for demonstrations. I put these in, but you know, most people hang pictures with these or all sorts of crap. This trick will also work for thumbtacks. So first, you know, when there is a nail in there, you're gonna want to try to remove it in the direction it went in. You don't want to kind of go down because then you're gonna damage it. But we want to start off by first kind of brushing them off, getting all the chunks out, and if you can feel the drywall poking out, go ahead and wipe it off. So you can see our two little nail holes right there. I just got a little bit of spackle on my finger. I try to get some more of the dry stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it. Give it a nice little wipe down, just like so. And there you go. You can already paint it right now, even though it's wet. It's such a small area, it'll be just fine. So that is a quick, easy way to fill nail holes. And I prefer this way over a putty knife because if you can look on this wall, I don't know if you can see it through the camera, there's like an orange peel on this wall. It's very thin. And if you use a putty knife and skim over this like 2-inch area, this will all be a flat spot and everything else will be an orange peel. So you want to be careful not to cover up this orange peel texture when you're just filling a small hole like these. Alright, so that was just our quick little easy 2-minute tip. Today was a painting tip. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you didn't like it. Leave a comment down below of anything you'd like to see on this channel. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.